Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Citroen 3-button remote key fob. First we need to remove the key fob blade out of the housing by sliding this mechanism here to remove the blade. Now we need to take a flat-headed screwdriver and prise it in this gap here to remove the cover so you can see the key fob battery. And there it is. Notice that the key fob battery is facing upwards with the writing towards you in its correct position. This key fob battery takes a part number of CR3032 like this one. We need to take a smaller screwdriver to remove it from its housing. And we take the new key fob battery and pop it back in its housing like so. The cover goes back on. Okay, and then the blade goes back in like so. And there you are, you're ready to go.